Have you ever stopped to think about what inspires us? About what really matters when we find people who are willing to work together to build a new world? Here at the Mariápolis Ginetta Center, we are inspired by the art of the encounter. The Event Center offers complete infrastructure, a large green area, and a support team with specialized service. We are located in Vargem Grande Paulista, close to the Raposo Tavares Highway, just 47 kilometers from the west side of São Paulo. The 21,000 square meter area provides a flexible structure to receive spiritual retreats or social and corporate events. Welcome to the Mariápolis Ginetta Center.